Hello and welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to create a separate page for your blog posts in WordPress. When you install WordPress, it is organized to display your recent blog posts on the home page by default. While this can be useful for personal blogs and news websites, other types of websites, such as business sites, portfolios, or online stores, would prefer to have some valuable information about their business on their homepage instead of blog posts. If you run a personal blog or news website, you don't have to do anything. Just sit back and watch this video to learn something new. If you are a small business owner or are building an online store and want a static home page to show your business and contact information, you will have two options. If you do not plan to write posts, you only need to create a new home page and make it your static home page. If you plan to write posts and want to have a separate blog or news page, you will need to create a new home page for your static home page and a second page called blog or news for your blog posts. Whatever option you choose, after creating these pages, you will need to make a simple change within your WordPress settings to display these new pages as you want. I will now switch to my WordPress dashboard to show you exactly how to do it. To create your home page, go to Pages and select Add New Page. When this page opens, type Home into the title section. For demonstration purposes, I will add the image from my slide so you better understand the difference. To do that, I will click this plus sign on the right and select the image block to add my image. After watching this video, I invite you to watch my previous video about creating pages to learn how to add content to your static homepage using content blocks. The link to that video will be in the upper right corner. After you finish creating your future homepage, click Publish and Publish again to confirm its publishing. Then click this View Page button to see how it looks. In order to create the second page, hover over your website name, go to Dashboard, and again hover over Pages and click on Add New Page. Enter the title of your page, it can be blog or news, I will enter blog. Next, click this plus sign on the right, and when this menu opens, click Browse All, and a new column will be open on the left. In the search box, type Posts and select one of available options. I will select this one called Layout 2. Click on Publish and Publish again to confirm its publishing. When you click this View Page button, this is how your separate blog page will look like. Now there is one more thing to do to make these two pages a static home page and a blog page. Return to your dashboard, hover over Settings and select Reading. You will see this Your Home Page Displays section. Your latest posts option is selected, so blog posts are shown on your home page. Select this A Static Page Radio button and from the Homepage drop-down menu, select your newly created home page. If you didn't create a blog page, leave this post page option as it is. If you created a new blog or news page, select your blog page from its drop-down menu. Next, click the Save Changes button to save your changes. Hover over your website name and click on Visit Site. Your newly created homepage has become your website's static homepage. It is also shown inside the main menu of your website if you're using a free Blocksy theme, as I suggested you do in one of my previous videos. The blog page link will be here too. You will see a separate blog page with your latest blog post if you click on it. And that's it! Now you know how to create a separate page for your blog posts in WordPress. I did my best to make this tutorial beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to create their separate pages for blog posts in WordPress to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.